So this is an exciting delivery. Had problems with tyre warmers earlier in the year, and so we've spoken to the beautiful people at Motorcycle Race Parts, and judging by this sticker, new tape they've got, we've got some new tyre warmers to try out in here. Hopefully it should be pretty cool. I'm going to try them this weekend at race weekend, but they've been really kind to us. Say kind, I've paid for them, haven't I? But they've sent me 3 sets of these new thermal race tyres to have a look at and decide which way we want to go. So that is a chunky bag. I think that's just one tyre warmer as well. Wow, that's a set of tyre warmers in there, I'd imagine. And that is another set of tyre warmers. And I've got a new sprocket to try. I've got a 45 tooth for the V4R. Very excited to see that. And I think I got a switch in there. What does that say on it? Doesn't say anything. I think that's an ignition switch for the base model. So I think what I've got is entry-level model, mid-range model, and then I think these ones are the top of the range model. And there's a wider range than this in the thermal race things, so we'll try them out this weekend, and let you guys know what you think. But what I think, these are obviously, you can't get better than thermal race or thermal technology. It's not thermal race, I should get the name right. Thermal technology. You know, they use that every level up, and up to MotoGP, and the prices match accordingly. So we'll see how they go.